Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to file annual report for LLC in Pennsylvania. Firstly, you need to determine filing fee and due date. Annual report, the due date is before July 1st of every year. It has zero fees as of 2025 for many entities, but check to confirm for your business type. Now, you can file your report either online or with a paper form. To do it online, visit the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Hub. Log in or create a Keystone login account and select File Annual Report or File Annual Registration. Then enter your business details and follow the prompts. If you're doing it by mail, download the correct form and fill it out completely, then sign it. Now you need to submit your report. Complete submission and pay any fees electronically. Just keep in mind that missing the deadline, you could face administrative dissolutions. Keep your business info, name, address, and officers up to date to avoid rejection, and always keep a copy of your submission for your records. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.